Where'd he go?
Can you help Winnie get his balloon? Oh. Oh.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, also my boy.
I'm done. Sorry.
Wow.
I can't go. This cat's just looking at me like you got a problem. We can handle it right now. Yeah, you up the window, pussy ass cat, small face.
Luna.
Oh.
You're such a good girl. Are you a festive Mark?
I tell them if they'll listen. I say, don't do the nip every day, or else you'll end up looking like me.
Fetch me their soul.
Finn?
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Leo. Leo. You want food?
What'll it be? The usual? Tough day?
Fetch me their soul.
Surprise, shawty!
Kerbang! Oh no, slow death!
So what do you want for supper?
Maybe we have Wendy's, Applebee's, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's. We could have what those.
Did you kill her?
All right, Merry Christmas, Gretchen.
I think that just dripped oil right on her face.
Guys, I just got home. I think Jim passed away. Jimmy, you... Nope. We're good.
Let me show you.
If you expect to get any presents for Christmas this year, we're gonna have to donate some things to clear some room. What about this thing?
That's my special one.
Your special one. I've literally never seen you play with this.
I didn't know where it was.
I literally tell this to every cat owner I meet. But anyways, when you rub your cat's stomach, move your hand up their stomach and stretch their arms out. Stretch their arms out. They...
Stop! 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 Hardin, stop! Stop!
No. Alright, fine. Okay. Well, I said... Oh, you like it? Oh, no, you don't. I told you.
Sit. Paw. Lay down. Roll over. Good boy. Good boy.
You're magical. Yes, you're powerful. You're loving. You're fabulous. You're amazing. Yes, you are all those things and so much more. Yes, believe in yourself. Yes, believe in yourself. Yes.
Please let me down. Please let me down. I hate you so much. You smell so bad. Please let me down. You're so annoying. I literally hate you. Oh, thank God I'm out of here.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Oh my god, can you get a room?
Nope. Don't even think about it. Nope. Nope.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
Okay, so my cat's been taking some acting classes. Let's see how he's doing. Give me your best Mufasa impression. Worth it.
What? What? I'm at work. I'm sorry. No, I can't play.
This is so humiliating!
This is one for the history books. Look at that. Yeah, that's my bra. Deal with it. Look at that form. Look at that. No tail. None. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't get over it. 10 out of 10 easily.